Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle FTP server. First, let's understand what Circle FTP is and why it's a great tool for secure file sharing. It allows you to easily upload and download files, ensuring your data is transferred safely. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started, from initial setup to basic operations, making file management straightforward and efficient for all your needs. Now let's connect to your Circle FTP server. You'll need three key pieces of information: the host address, your username, and your password. Open your chosen FTP client like FileZilla and locate the Quick Connect bar. Input these details carefully, then click Connect. This establishes a secure connection, allowing you to access your server's directories and begin managing your files. Once connected, transferring files is simple. On the right-hand side of your FTP client, you'll see the server's directory structure. To upload, simply drag files from your local computer, shown on the left, into the desired server folder. For downloading, select the files on the server and drag them to your local machine. It's an intuitive drag-and-drop process for seamless file management. Finally, let's talk about security and best practices. Always prioritize using secure FTP or SFTP for all your transfers to protect your data from unauthorized access. Regularly updating your passwords is also crucial for maintaining a high level of security. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Following these simple steps ensures your Circle FTP experience remains both efficient and secure, protecting your valuable information.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.